everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. Today we're on day 3 of Worthy by Elevation Worship. The first day we learned verse 1. The second day we learned both the chorus and verse 2, and today we are learning the bridge. But before we learn that bridge, we're going to go over housekeeping. Remember, I am left-handed. If you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links and other information. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of your future favorite songs. Okay, so this bridge repeats 6 times. 6 times. Okay, so you want to get it good, but the great thing is once you have it, it's like half the song. So, be exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. So if this isn't your first song, pretty much all of these signs are repeater signs. So that's really nice, okay? But I'm going to explain each sign in case this is your first song. So exalted, you want to make your hands look like this. Starting here about chin level, exalted. Exalted. Okay? Exalted now, we've learned that in heaven. So for heaven, you have your hands rolling over one another, and then you're kind of showing where heaven would be. Okay? Heaven. So be exalted now in heaven. Your glory fills this place. Your, pointing to God in heaven, and then glory. So I've seen glory done 2 different ways, and you're welcome to. Some people kind of clap their hands and go out like that. Other people don't clap their hands, they just have their middle finger touch their hand and go back like that. Whatever you're comfortable with. Remember, this is about you worshiping God. This is about your heart, not about your hands. Okay? So remember that too when you make mistakes, because running through this bridge 6 times, you're bound to make mistakes. Okay? Your glory, and then fills this place. So we could actually, fill this place, but fill is like, we're talking about filling a cup. So instead we're going to say your glory, and it's like all around, like it's in the atmosphere. Okay. Your glory fills this place. So for that, you're taking your non-dominant hand, your index finger, and then your dominant hand is moving around with your fingers moving. Okay, then you, pointing to God of heaven, alone. You're going to flip that like this. Okay, alone, all by yourself. You alone, and then deserve. We've learned that. Deserve our praise. So you can do our if you want. It's a you from your dominant shoulder to your non-dom shoulder. But if it's busy, you can also just say you deserve praise. You don't have to say you deserve our praise, okay? You deserve our praise. And then you're the name above all names. You are the name. We learned that already. And then above, you have your non-dominant hand, and your dominant hand moves around like this, showing above. And then all. For that, you have your non-dominant hand here, your dominant hand facing out above it, and go around. Okay? All names. I know that line seems like a lot, but as you move on in sign language, you'll find you often say Jesus' name above all names, so you get good at that line. Okay? The name above all names. Let's try that from the top, okay? Be exalted now in heaven as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. Let's do it one more time. Okay? Be exalted now in heaven as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. Okay, and like I said earlier, this repeats 6 times in the song. So practice as much as you need to be really comfortable with it. And on the next video, we'll walk through top to bottom the whole song. Can't wait to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.